I prefer the simpler standard mileage rate method. Instead of tracking actual expenses, the IRS allows a simplified method that takes just mileage into account. You don't need to track any other expenses related to your vehicle, but you also don't take depreciation. The standard mileage rate incorporates an estimate of all of the operating and maintenance expenses related to your vehicle along with depreciation into a single rate per mile. If your business mileage for 2020 was 30,000 miles, using the IRS standard mileage rate of 57.5 cents per mile, your auto expense deduction for that vehicle is $17,250, or 30,000 times 57.5 cents. Regardless of how much you actually spent on fuel, registration, maintenance, repairs, insurance, and however much you paid for the vehicle, all of those expenses are considered incorporated into the standard mileage rate. However, you must track your mileage. You still must have a written, contemporaneous, accurate mileage log that has a separate entry for each and every business and personal trip. Using the simplified standard mileage rate method, you don't need to track any other expenses related to your vehicle, but you must track your mileage.